Hi guys, welcome back to Lacey's Cute and Fluffy Things. Today me and my husband are going to go round 1 to hopefully win some more plushes. Also guys, please make sure you like and subscribe to this. It helps us out, helps everyone out. Also please don't forget to check out my store down below, Lacey's Cute and Fluffy Things. The money does go to children so it can help win more plushes and then just put a smile on a kid's face. So enough talking about it, let's just go do it. Alright, let's go for the copycat. Hopefully we can win something today, guys. I won other prizes earlier, but I gave them all away. Oh, please, 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 please. Please! Come on, Gravity. Yes! And one! Oh, look, he's so soft. Oh, I love it. Alright, well, we got his little sister. Let's go for the brother. We have to go for the brother, guys. We can't just leave him here. Alright. Oh, please, please, please. Yes, perfect, perfect. Oh! Another 101! Yes! Yes! We got to. Let's win this kitty cat hand warmer. Okay. This part. About there. Yep, yep. That's it. That's it. And one. Oh, he's so fat. He's so fat.
Hello everyone, welcome to round 1 rain. If any help changing the position of the brush or changing the color of the brush, let me know.
Oh, so close. One more time.
Eventually.
If you touch the brush, I promise you.
I think maybe just a 1-2.
Try to look around, but I really don't think I can. Also, if you need a brand new car, go ahead and go to the camera here. Yes, this one here by the camera.
Oh no, we're 1-2 in the opposite direction. We need to go back to the left claw. Maybe? I need this hand warmer.
A few inches later.
Winter here, guys, it's like 30 degrees. I need it. There we go. Woo-hoo! Now I need some assistance, guys. Let's change it up from cats. Let's get it sharp.
If you need any help changing the color or position of the blush, go ahead and let me know. My assistant is right here now. We'll be right there to help you out no matter what you need. If you need a brand new car, help you out up in the front counter.
Yes, we got another one in one. Whatever this little guy is, guys, if you know what he is, please mention it down in my comments below. But he's super cute, so let's win him. Let's go. 1, 2, 2. All right, 1.
do the booty scooty.
I've never seen that happen before. Okay. I guess we'll go again. Try to act you. I don't think I can get him actually. Yeah, the claw won't go that far this way. I can't get him. Alright, we gotta go get some assistance. Alright guys, we just got back from round 1. We had a blast today. Look at all these plushies that I won. Look at all of them. They're so cute. I got so many today. And then also, I was able to get this little guy. He's the one that got stuck up against the glass where I couldn't get him. The round 1 employee was super nice and let me have him because there's no way for the claw to reach him. So yeah. Also, I was able to give some to some children that were out with their parents at round 1. It was super fun. We had a great day. Please make sure you subscribe and like this because it helps me out, and then we can continue to do this and I can continue to give away a lot of these plushies that I win. Well guys, this is it for this week. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys later. Bye!